Hello friends, in today's video, I'll show you how to clean an iron. 6 tricks to tackle it easily. How to clean an iron from scorches without scratching its surface. And how to deal with limescale. The iron is a household appliance, and you should know its maintenance and cleaning as well as the right techniques for ironing shirts. Even a small scorch on its surface can ruin your favorite blouse or trousers. We bring you several proven methods to easily clean the iron and keep it in perfect condition. Thanks to our tips, nothing will surprise you during ironing, and your clothes will always look like they just came from the dry cleaners. What affects the iron's condition? Ironing is a routine activity that we often enhance by watching TV or listening to music. However, just a moment of inattention or incorrectly set temperature, and scorching is born. Or, in our case, on the surface of the iron. A heated iron can turn even a small print on a shirt into a big problem. The same goes for synthetic and delicate fabrics. When you iron them with an iron set to too high a temperature, the condition of your iron's surface can also be compromised by accidentally running the iron over buttons, rivets, or zippers. The third factor affecting the condition of your iron is the buildup of limescale and improper storage. We'll help you with these problems too. How to clean a burned iron according to the type of iron. Before you start cleaning your iron, carefully read the included instructions on how to clean the iron. The surface of the iron quickly heats up to over 200 degrees, and the metal surface of the iron can withstand even multiple times higher temperatures. This means that it is basically impossible to burn the surface of the iron itself. Burned areas on the ironing surface come from your clothing or accumulated starch. However, the good news is that there are several tips to safely remove these scorch marks. When cleaning irons in general, the rule is to use gentle cleaning agents and non-abrasive cloths and sponges. How to clean the iron according to the type of ironing surface is explained below. Ironing with a ceramic iron. Do your clothes sometimes unpleasantly roll up, and you spend the whole day smoothing them out? The culprit is static electricity accumulated in the fabric. The solution is to use a ceramic iron, which eliminates static electricity. Ceramic irons with a ceramic surface are also popular because they do not burn clothing so easily, even at higher temperatures. On the other hand, the downside of a ceramic iron is its shorter lifespan. Ironing with a metal iron. Metal irons are also known as dry irons. They consist only of an ironing surface and do not use a steaming system. These irons are lighter and glide smoothly over the fabric. Ironing with them literally goes like butter, and their maintenance is very undemanding. However, when using them, there is a higher chance of burning clothing. Ironing with a Teflon iron. Teflon is a non-stick material that glides easily over the surface of the ironed fabric. A Teflon iron is also very easy to clean, but be careful not to scratch it when using or cleaning it. Unlike other types of irons, it is not recommended to clean a Teflon iron with baking soda or salt. How to clean a burned iron, 6 home tricks. 1. Vinegar with water. There are several options. Mix vinegar with water in a 1:1 ratio and gently wipe the ironing surface with it. Vinegar is a very strong home cleaner, which will also help you with the question of how to clean a kettle. 2. Combination of vinegar with baking soda. The second way is to place the iron on a cloth soaked in vinegar. After half an hour of standing, wipe the iron with clean water and dry it. If vinegar and water alone do not remove the scorch marks, add a few tablespoons of salt or baking soda to warm vinegar and repeat the cleaning process. Baking soda and vinegar are also a suitable means for cleaning brass. Be careful, however, when cleaning a Teflon iron, never clean its surface with baking soda or salt. 3. Dishwashing or laundry gel. You can further prepare a cleaning agent to remove scorches by mixing dishwashing or laundry gel with water. Scorches will be easier to remove from a still warm iron, but be careful and disconnect it from the power before cleaning. 4. Nail polish remover. An ordinary nail polish remover will also help you deal with scorch marks. Apply it to the surface of the iron with a cloth or cotton swab, reaching into the steam holes. Finally, wipe the surface again with a cloth with clean water and dry it. 5. Lemon juice and baking soda. How to clean an iron when it's cold. Mix lemon juice with baking soda until a homogeneous paste is formed. Apply it to the ironing surface and let it work for 5 minutes. You can also apply toothpaste mixed with a little water to the iron and let it sit. Finally, wipe off the paste and clean the iron with a cloth with water and dry it. 6. Use ice. Our last piece of advice is how to remove melted plastic from the surface of the iron. First, cool the plastic by applying ice, and then gently scrape off the plastic with a plastic knife. Finally, clean the surface of the iron using one of our proven methods. How to clean the iron from limescale? Is your iron only a few months old, but it doesn't glide over clothing as smoothly as when you bought it? What's more, it leaves stains on your clothes, and small chalk-like pieces fall out of the steam holes. All these are signs that it's time to clean your iron from limescale. To remove limescale from the surface of the iron, use vinegar and water again. Cotton swabs will help you clean the steam holes. To remove limescale directly at the source of the problem, wash the water tank with vinegar as well. How to do it? Fill the water tank with a 1:1 mixture of water and vinegar until it is 1/3 full. Turn the iron on to medium heat and let it steam for 5 to 10 minutes until all the vinegar has evaporated. Repeat the process with clean water, and the iron is ready for another pile of clothes waiting to be ironed.